Welcome back. It's 4:40 here on your Thursday morning. A weather impact alert for our potential for heavy rainfall. We will also have another weather impact alert for tomorrow. So here's what we're tracking here today, tomorrow, and even early Saturday morning. We'll have those tropical downpours passing through, intense rain at times, and as we all know, that can lead to our street flooding problems. Now, the chance of rain, I'm going to throw it at 100% today and 100% tomorrow. There will be some breaks mixed in, but it's almost a guarantee that everyone's going to see some passing showers at some point over the next few days. Now, the chance of rain Saturday will be in the morning, and then Saturday afternoon's drier, and then by Sunday and Monday, especially Sunday, is looking really nice. Now out here, here's what we're watching this morning with live radar. We've got some passing downpours pushing through the North Shore, some in the metro, out in the river parishes, some heavier ones through Houma and up into Thibodaux, but they've been moving, so we don't have any major flooding problems right now. Now, what's interesting, the National Hurricane Center is not highlighting this for development. However, there's a real chance that this does organize even more over the next 2 days. It's sitting over the warm waters. It's kind of tied up in a front here, but either way, some low pressure organizing, and all this heavy rain on the north and east side is going to be hanging out near our coast and our area for the next 2 days, which is why we have that flood potential. So Precision Cast showing we've got our passing showers around. Keep an eye on this, keep an eye on that low pressure. It is slowly going to move towards the east, and since it's not moving very fast, that's why we're going to have so many rounds of these tropical downpours. Now, once we get into Friday, you can see there that low still organizing, sending heavy rain across South Louisiana. And then as it starts to approach us, it starts to push back down to the south. We have a front coming in, and by Saturday morning, that front's moving in and eventually pushing all the rain down into the Gulf with it. So Saturday afternoon, it is looking to be on the drier side. Now, how much rain are we talking here? Well, some models are being very, very aggressive, and I even backed off on this model some. I thought it was being a little too aggressive, but it shows you this type of scenario with that low pressure organizing and hanging just south of our coast. We could really see some significant totals here south of the lake and near the coast. From Houma, Thibodaux, anywhere down in here could see 8 to 10 inches of rain. Isolated totals higher are possible. Once you get in the metro, I think 3 to 6 is more likely, and then the North Shore will say 1 to 3 inches seems to be more likely. So the further south you get, the higher the flood risk will be. And this is over the next 3 days, but some of these totals are quite impressive. Now, if this disturbance decides to actually organize into basically a tropical depression at this point, we'll have to watch for maybe some stronger winds, especially near our coast. Right now, we're not seeing anything off the charts, but as we get into Friday and Saturday, we could start to see some wind gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour out in the Gulf of Mexico, 15 to 20 for the metro area, and then even less the further north you get. Now, these winds are persistent. We are going to see some minor coastal flooding if you live in an east-facing shoreline, Hancock County, out into Venetian Isles, those areas around Lake Catherine, Lake Bourne, the east bank of Plaquemines Parish. Your tides will be running higher than normal for the next few days with that persistent wind. Elsewhere out in the tropics, not a whole lot going on, at least an imminent threat. We've got 4 different areas they're highlighting, but right now, no big concerns here. This is one we're going to watch into next week, but only giving it a low chance. And right now, we're just focusing on our rain that we've got coming through our area. So 100% chance of rain today and tomorrow. Temperature-wise, we're going to be in the low 80s, so at least it's not too hot, but tropical downpours can lead to street flooding fairly quickly. We'll have some rain Saturday morning, and then once we get into Sunday, beautiful weather, low humidity coming in, and we've got some nice, cool mornings for you. Brandon.